to my channel. Today I'm going to do a January, I guess it is, Boxycharm, and I just got this in the mail today. So if you would like to stay and see what's in my Boxycharm for the month of January, please stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do unboxings every month, whether it's Trendsen, Wearable, Boxycharm, or Stitchfix. So if you are interested in watching these boxings every month, just stay tuned and watch my channel. Please like and subscribe as well. So I haven't opened this as of yet. I'm going to open it now and let's see what's inside. So first off, they give a card and it says Rock 2018, Rock and Roll Soul. It gives a list of the different products and the pricing. So I'm going to keep this right here and we'll go through the products. First product in the box is this Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. And I've used Dr. Brandt's product. It's the No More Pores Illuminator Primer Base. I've used the regular one before and I actually wanted to purchase this myself, but I'm excited I got it in my box. So let's read a little bit about the description. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Illuminating Primer. The price for this is $38. Wow, the Boxycharm is only $21 a month per subscription. That is a great deal. Next in the box is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder Universal Brow Pencil. And the price on this is $24. Let's open the box and see what's in it. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. Brow powder, IT Cosmetics. I like IT Cosmetics. I like their foundations. Okay, on one side is, you gotta turn this up, is the product. So let's try it on our hand. You have to really warm it up. So there's the color. I guess it's a universal color. Let's see if it says the color on here. I guess it's just universal brow. And then the other side is the spoolie. So you see that? It's cool. I'm excited to use this. I'm going to try it. I've never used an IT Cosmetics brow pencil. So it's actually a great deal. Okay. Product is called Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Price $27. Oh, okay. Hot Fuchsia is the color. Not sure if I'll use this. I'll probably give it to my kids. One of them. They'll probably use it. They might not even use it. So here's the color. Grande Lips. And that's the pink. Wow. Okay. Let's try it. Oh. On our hand. Does it say what to do? Oh, okay. You have to turn the bottom. And then the product is coming up. So I'll just do this. Okay. Keep turning. Turning. Okay, this is taking forever. Okay, just give me a minute and I'll come figure it out. You don't turn it, you press it. So I'm going to keep pressing and clicking until it comes up. Maybe. Oh, here it comes. Okay, let's try this on our hand and see what color this is. It's kind of like a glaze. It's pretty. I mean, I'm not sure if I'll ever use it. It's kind of like a nice pink color. We'll see. I don't know. Probably not. Okay, so the next product is the Pure Bronze and Brighten. And then this is the back. And let's see. Pure Cosmetics, the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. On the Go Highlighter, Bronzer, and Blush Palette. MSRP, $34. Wow. That's a deal. Okay, I think there's plastic on here. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay, these are the colors. Let me show you. So there's your cheek color, your highlight, and it looks like your contour. All right, let's try the cheek color first. Ooh, they look a little sparkly. Oh. It's got a lot of powder kick up. Okay. Ooh, I don't know about this. Whoa. That's like really Really, really orangey. Oh, wow. Ugh. Okay, next one is the highlight, which I probably use the most. This has a lot of kickback. Wow. Highlight's really pretty. Wow, that's really nice. It's pretty. Okay, the next one is the contour. These all are very shimmery, so I don't know if I would probably use this. I probably would only use the highlighter. So wow, that is very, very shiny. So see, look, there's a lot of kickback in there. Wow. Okay, so off to the last product is the Glam Metals Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. MSRP is $25. These are eyeshadows. So let's see. So this is the packaging. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Glam Metals. It's awesome. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. These are really pretty. So these are the products. Let me show you. These are the colors. They're really nice. I would probably use these. There's Punk. So let's try Punk. Oh, that's pretty. So there's Punk. Okay, this is Wild Thing, which is this one here. And that's the second one in. Next one is Black Metal. These are all very light, so this is Black Metal. That's the next one. That is this one right here. I'm sorry, this one. Okay, so Rock On. These are all very sheer. So this one here is Rock On. I don't know, it's kind of dull. Next one is Rebel, which is this coppery color. It's really cool. Let's see. That's this one right here. It's nice. I mean, it's okay. I mean, these colors, look at them. They're not like, the payoff isn't all that great. Okay, and the last one is, the last row is Wicked. The Wicked. It's this purpley color, but it's not. So it's this one here. It's pretty and all, but eh. Glam Rock is this one here. It's okay. And then Pop Rock, which is like a silver, is this one. You can barely see it. I mean, they're okay. They're nice. They're kind of all shimmery. There's nothing here really that would actually I would use. I mean, I would use them on my lids, but I mean, it's cute. My kids would probably use it more than me. So there it is. Okay, well, that Boxycharm, let's see. I mean, that was a great deal. It was probably over $150 worth of stuff for $21. I mean, it's a great subscription. I mean, this box was okay. I really, really, really excited to use this Dr. Brandt's primer, luminizing primer. So I'll probably do a review on this one as well. Okay, well, thank you so much for your time. And I'm going to leave some links below to my Stitchfix referral, as well as other videos that I've done, my Stitchfix unboxing. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.